In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to work this very nice edging. I like it because it's not so lacy. I mean, there are not so many holes in this edging, and it's just a 3-row edging pattern. Like, we only do 3 rows.
Welcome
and
back
we
to my
come
YouTube
up
channel.
with
My name is Kauthar. If this is your very first time here, and I'm Nigeria's crochet queen. My aim is to help you make original crochet pieces of your own, and I do this by bringing you different crochet stitch tutorials that you can use for your many different crochet projects. If this is your first time on my channel, you can click on the link in the description box below to check out my other videos. I have several other stitch tutorials on my YouTube channel, but in today's video we're going to be looking at the tutorial for this crochet edging. Before I go further, I have a Patreon where I share with you instructions on how to increase and how to decrease with the different crochet stitches I share on my YouTube channel. You can click the link in the description box below if you want to check out my Patreon and support me. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss out on any one of my videos. I can guarantee that if you follow my YouTube channel and watch my videos back to back, your crochet game is going to really improve and you're going to be able to crochet anything that you think of in your mind without looking for a pattern to follow. All that being said, let's begin today's tutorial. This stitch is a multiple of 12 minus 1, so I'm going to begin with 35 chains. 36 is a multiple of 12 minus 1 gives us 35, so I'm going to chain 35 now. 1 2 3 4 5 31 32 33 34 35. I have my 35 chains here, so I'm just going to work my first row, and to do that I work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is the first chain from the hook right here, but I work in the second chain from the hook, which is this one. I do a single crochet. If you're not familiar with working single crochet stitches, I have a more in-depth single crochet tutorial. I'll leave it linked in the description box below so you can check it out. Now that I have my single crochet done, I'll chain 3, 1 2 3, and skip 2 chains, skip 1 2. In the next chain I do a single crochet again. So we have this is the first single crochet, chain 3, skip 2 chains, single crochet in the next. This is what we're going to be repeating: chain 3, skip 2 chains, single crochet in the next. And let's just continue that. Chain 3, skip 2 chains, 1 2, single crochet in the next. Chain 3, skip 2 chains, 1 2, single crochet in the next. So we continue repeating this till we get to the end of the row. I've almost come to the end. You can see I have just 3 chains left, so I chain 3, skip 2 chains, and do my last single crochet in the very last chain. And this brings us to the end of row 1. This is what your project should look like. You have the single crochet stitches and the chain spaces. To begin row 2, we start by chaining 3. 1 2 3, then you turn the work. Now skip the very first chain 3 space, which is this one. You skip this space, you don't do anything there, and in the next chain 3 space we do 7 treble crochets. Now to do a treble crochet, just yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the space, yarn over and pull up a loop. You would have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'll do it again because we have to have 7 in this space. Yarn over twice, 1 2, insert your hook into the space, yarn over and pull up a loop, such that you have 4 loops on your hook. Then you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. The second treble crochet is done, and I'll continue this till I have 7 of these treble crochets in this chain 3 space.
I'm done. I have 7 treble crochets in the chain 3 space, and now I'm going to chain 3. 1 2 3. Skip the next chain 3 space, which is this one right here, and in the next chain 3 space we do a single crochet. I do my single crochet there, and now we do a picot stitch, which is chain 3, slip stitch into the base. So with chain 3 we slip stitch into this single crochet here that we first did. We do a slip stitch there. You can see our picot stitch is done. This is the picot stitch. So chain 3 again, 1 2 3. Skip the next chain 3 space, which is here, and we repeat the 7 treble crochets in the next chain 3 space. Okay, I have 7 now, which you can see here. I'm going to repeat this set, which is to chain 3. So let's just do that. Chain 3, skip this next chain 3 space, and in the next chain 3 space we do a single crochet, and we do the picot, chain 3, a slip stitch in the single crochet that we first did. Now we chain 3 again, skip the next chain 3 space, and we do our next 7 treble crochets in this chain 3 space after the skipped one. So I'm about to finish. This is my last motif, like the last set of 7 treble crochets I'm to do. I already have 6 treble crochets done. So to finish this row, we're going to be doing treble crochet 2 together, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But basically it's that we're going to work the 7th treble crochet here together with the last treble crochet of this row, which will be done in this single crochet that we did at the beginning of the previous row. So here's what that looks like. I begin with by yarning over twice as usual. I put my hook into this stitch because we need to complete the 7th treble crochet of this motif. So I yarn over, pull up a loop. We'd still have 4 loops on our hook. Then I yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. When I have 2 loops on my hook, I'll go for the 2nd treble crochet that we're doing together with this one. So now I'm going to, at this point, before finishing this treble crochet completely, I'm going to go into this single crochet for a last treble crochet. So I yarn over twice to begin that treble crochet. I insert my hook into that single crochet, and then yarn over, pull up a loop. At this point we are going to have 5 loops on our hook, because remember that we had 2 loops on our hook from the incomplete treble crochet that we did in here. So now let's complete this together. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and at this point we pull through all 3 loops at the same time. What we've just done is a treble crochet 2 together. We worked this treble crochet, this one and this one, we worked them together. So that is how you finish your row 2. We're going to move on to row 3 now, which is the last row of this edging pattern. We begin by chaining 4, then we turn the work. This chain 4 counts as the first treble crochet of this row, and then I work another treble crochet right into this stitch. So another treble crochet into that same stitch. That is done, and then I work, this gives us like 2 treble crochets in this first stitch, then I do 1 treble crochet in the next stitch. Done. 2 treble crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2, then 1 treble crochet in the next, and then I go for a picot, which is to chain 3, slip stitch at the top of this treble crochet, our picot is done. So this is what we have right now. We have 6 treble crochets, and now to finish this set we are going to do 2 treble crochets in the very next stitch here, 2 treble crochets there, a treble crochet in the next treble, 2 treble crochets in the last treble. Now we have this is what we're going to be repeating till we get to the end of this row. So you can rewind or visit my blog to see the crochet diagram so that you can follow along. There's also a written pattern on my blog so you can follow along. I'm just going to finish this up while repeating this exact thing I've just done in this motif, in the second motif and the last motif, and when I'm at the end I'm going to come back to meet you so that I show you how we finish it up. Okay, so I'm done with the last set of stitches, as you can see, and that's the very last thing we'll do for this row. I'm just going to fasten off and weave in my ends. You agree with me that this is actually a really easy stitch that you can use for like your bralettes, dresses. It's just going to give your piece a very unique touch. I mean, you can make a top with just double crochet stitches and have this on the base of the top to add some character to it. And the thing is, when you do something like this for your crochet project, other people cannot really figure out what you've done. So even if it's something as easy as a double crochet top, the fact that you've added this edging is going to make it a little bit more difficult for somebody else to replicate what you've done, because they are unable to figure out what you've done for the edging. Even if they are trying to put an edging on their piece, they are most likely going to look for another one to put, which will still make their piece different from your own. This is why I bring you these stitch tutorials, so that you can make unique crochet projects of your own that won't be easy for other people to copy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to be using this edging, and if you use it for any of your projects, feel free to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is at @HOKCrochetHub. Don't forget that you can find the written pattern and the crochet diagram for this edging on my blog. I'm going to link it in the description box down below. And if you love to modify this edging, you want to know how to make it bigger or how to use it for your particular project, you can join my Patreon, where you can ask me particular questions about using this edging for your project. All that being said, I'm going to see you in my very next video. Make sure you subscribe so that you never miss out on any videos on my channel. Thank you for watching.